Okay, this video is going to show you how you can use Photo Booth to take a picture of yourself to match the photo that you found for your alter ego. So Photo Booth can be found. Either you click on Applications on the folder down on the bottom right hand side of your dock, or another way is if you click on Finder, and you should be able to find it in Favorites right here. So if you hit Applications. So you're going to be looking for Photo Booth, and it's alphabetically, so you're looking for PH. There it is. Okay, and you're going to see me in a minute. Okay, so the way Photo Booth works is it's literally a camera, and the camera's on the top of your monitor. Right there, you'll see a little green light. You can, you got to set up the camera so it's in the proper spot. So you can pivot your monitor like I am. So that way it doesn't cut off the top of your head. You also want to make sure that you are positioned fairly close to the monitor. You don't want to be all the way far back like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a picture, and it's going to be based off of the picture that we need for our alter ego. So you want to make sure you have that open. I have a couple of them. So you want to make sure you have this open to refer to, so you can get the position and the direction of the face. So you can see that Captain America here is looking to the side a little bit, turning his head a little bit, so you kind of want to get in the same position. Also, the camera is on the top right here. It's where that green button is, or the green light is, so you want to make sure that you look at it when you take a picture, assuming that this picture is looking at the camera. So you're going to turn your head, make the face, and go for it. You hit the little button right here. You have a couple of seconds. Okay. So if you think you have something that you can use, that would be great. All the pictures show up on the bottom here. You want to delete a picture, you just click on the X. So if I look at it, you might notice that it is flipped. So that is something that we can fix in Photoshop, but in the meantime, if you'd like to see it now, instead of flipping this picture, which would be difficult to do, I have this open in a program called Preview. If you open up a picture and you double click on it from your desktop, it'll open it up in Preview. Preview has a quick edit. If you go to Tools, oh, I'm sorry, no. If you go to, oh yeah, Tools, flip horizontally, it'll flip the picture for you. You know, I mean, ideally we're going to have them both flipped back, but this at least you can see where you might need to improve it a bit. Okay, so we're going to go back to Tools and flip horizontally again. And so you're just going to keep trying. You hit the camera again. I'm going to try it again until you have something that's good. Okay, so I'm thinking that one would probably work out well. You find a picture that works out well. You're going to drag it out onto your desktop. You are going to X out of Photo Booth. You are going to next bring it over to your alter ego folder. Okay, so the next video is going to show you how to put them both together in Photoshop.